Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the ExxonMobil Signature Polymer Tour. Today, we are going to guide you through a tour which is about designing for recyclability. We will show you some examples of innovations that we had in the plastic industry. My name is Ludovica Caliano, and together with my colleague, Olivier Adam, will be your guides.
Hi, good morning. My name is Olivier Adam. I'm the head of primary packaging in Europe. The next few years, we expect a lot of changes in the packaging market. We at ExxonMobil believe that the way forward is to address all of these challenges simultaneously. So number one, packaging optimization and simplification, resulting in cost savings. Number two, designing for recyclability. And three, inclusion of recycled content or certified circular products. Please join us with a few practical examples of how we illustrate and tackle these challenges together with our value chain partners. Our first sample is recyclable cheese packaging. Now, this type of cheese is usually packed in rigid thermoform trays. Usually, to pack, let's say, 300 grams of cheese, one of those rigid trays would weigh about 16 grams. This packaging is flexible, horizontal form fill and seal, weighs about less than 4 grams. So that means it's an extreme form of downgauging. That's also one of the reasons why many of the retailers in Belgium and other countries have already started to adopt this type of flexible horizontal form fill and seal packaging. This collaboration between ExxonMobil, Hosokawa Alpine, Ilapac, and Curare resulted in a recyclable packaging. Because if we analyze the packaging on the market today, packaging that you can buy in the stores, many of those are non-recyclable variants. And so this collaboration aimed to produce a 95% polyethylene recyclable packaging with only a very thin layer of EVOH. So we believe this will be implemented in the stores in the years to come. Our next sample is a bread bag. You may wonder what's so special about this bread bag. This bread bag is actually a sealable MDO film. It's 20 micron, which is way below the average thickness of a bread bag on the market. So our reverse engineering suggests that many of the samples are between 35 and 40 micron of the current bread bag that you buy in the store. Now, with the MDO technology, and this was a collaboration again between Hosokawa Alpine and Hudson & Sharp and Hoba, we were able to produce an extreme downgauged film of 20 micron. Now, this film has been tested to run both on the wicketing machines from Hudson & Sharp and on the bag loading machines from Hoba. So it's been a tried and tested solution throughout the value chain. Our next sample is also a sealable MDO film. So this film is also fully printable. And again, as the previous bread bag sample, this film with the MDO technology allows to create a super thin, very stiff film. And it allows to down-gauge and to save cost. The typical freezer film in the market is between 50 and 60 micron. This film we were able to produce at 35 micron. So again, using the MDO technology, collaboration with WNH, ourselves at ExxonMobil, SG and SSCIS, we're able to produce this sealable MDO freezer film bag, which was tested for bag drop at minus 30 degrees C compared to a regular freezer film without losing any mechanical properties, basically having the same performance.
And we have seen various examples of polyethylene-based primary packaging solutions. I'm going to show you something which is polypropylene-based. This is a pouch, which is a mono PP-based solution developed in collaboration with Atidia and Brodat. What is the specialty in this pouch? We have our Vistamax inside the sealing layer, which is providing excellent toughness and sealing performance. Besides the performance, Vistamax is also polypropylene-based, so it contributes to the recyclability of this mono PP solution.
So our next sample is a laminate between an MDO PE film and a PE sealant film. Now you may ask, what's so special about this film? This film has an MDO PE substrate that is super stiff, stiffness like BOPP. And what this allows to down gauge your sealant film, again, resulting in cost changes. So this was a collaboration between ExxonMobil, WNH, Henkel, and BMB. Okay, and now we're here for our last sample. This one brings it all together. This one combines a super stiff MDO-PE substrate, BOPP-like stiffness, a down-gauged sealant film, and if you're looking for alternatives for fossil-based, this one was made with 70% bio-circular certified certificates and 30% advanced recycling mass balance certificates.
Thanks for joining us for this tour. ExxonMobil Signature Polymers is our commitment to the innovation in the plastic industry. We have shown you examples across various industries, from the packaging up to the construction.
Thanks, Ludovica. And remember, we at ExxonMobil believe it's an and equation. And down-gauging for cost savings, and design for recyclability, and inclusion of recyclate or certified circular polymers. Thank you for joining us at this tour.